All right, these are the answers to day 2, where now we go the next step and we take the discriminant and we work this out. So first we're going to write A equals 1, B equals -7, C equals -5. And we're going to put this information into that quadratic formula. So we're going to take the opposite of B. So we're going to write +7 plus or minus the square root. And then we're going to do the -7 squared minus 4 times 1 times 5 all over 2 times 1. Okay, now we always want to do that discriminant first. So we put that into the calculator separately. What will pop out will be a +69. Okay? And then we can do this 2 times 1 on the bottom is 2. Okay, now this is our answer, but we'd like to get this into a decimal form. So the way we do that is we do it in 2 stages. We're going to take the top and we're going to do 7 plus square root of 69 first. So 7 plus square root of 69 equals, and then we're going to divide by 2. So divide by 2, and the first answer we get is 7.65. Round that to 2 decimal places. Okay. Then what we do is we go back and we do the same thing, but this time we're going to minus. So I could actually go up, just change that to a minus, divide that by 2, and I get a -0.65. Okay. So that's the goal here, is taking that discriminant and just doing a couple more steps from what we did yesterday. So same thing here, A is 3, B is -10, C is 4. We're going to go opposite of B, so 10 plus or minus the square root of -10 squared minus 4 times 3 times 4, all over 2 times 3. All right, so that'll give us 10 plus or minus the square root. Now we do this on the calculator, and again, just on its own, we're going to go -10 squared minus 4 times 3 times 4, and we get 52 for an answer there. All over 2 times 3, which is 6. Okay, so again, that is correct, but we want to see what that actually equals. So on the calculator, we're going to go 10 plus the square root of 52 divided by 6, and we get 2.87. Okay. Then we're going to do the same thing, but this time subtract. Divided by 6, we get 0.46. All right. So in here, A is 1, B is -1, C is -12. So we're going to go opposite of B, 1 plus or minus the square root of -1 squared minus 4 times 1 times -12, all over 2 times 1. Okay, use the calculator, and if you type this in correctly, you should get 49 for an answer over 2. All right, and so then we're just going to take the calculator and do this. So we'll go 1 plus square root 49 divided by 2, and we actually get 4 for an answer there. And then if I go 1 minus square root of 49 divided by 2, I get -3 for an answer there. Okay, and the reason that we get nicer numbers is because the square root of 49 actually is 7. So 1 plus 7 is 8. 8 divided by 2 is 4. Now, you could do that actually without the calculator's help. No big deal though. All right, our last one here, A equals 5, B equals -10, C equals 15. So we're going opposite of B, so 10 plus or minus the square root of -10 squared minus 4 times 5 times 15, all over 2 times 5, okay? This is going to give us 10 plus or minus the square root, and we're going to put that in our calculator here. So -10 parentheses squared minus 4 parentheses 5 parentheses 15 is a -200. All over 2 times 5, which is 10. Now, can't take the square root of a negative number. That's not a real number, so therefore we write no solution. In another class, you'll learn a little bit of what to do with this, but for right now, we're just going to write